A very good morning to my dear students. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe at home. Today we will read chapter number 2 of our English literature book. And the name of the chapter is The Girls and a Lotus. Students, we all have friends. We all love to make friends. So, friends are very important in our life. We all have so many friends. So, in this story, two good friends, Usha and Lalita, quarrel over a lotus. So, this is the story of two good friends, and their names are Usha and Lalita. So, they fight over a lotus, but they soon realize their mistake and make up with each other. So, on the top of a hill is a beautiful hut. In it lives a wise man. At the center of the courtyard is a beautiful tree. Usha dressed in yellow and Lalita dressed in red. Enjoy talking to the wise man. Every morning, the two dear friends watch him decorate the beautiful tree with flowers they bring for him. So on the top of a hill, on the top of a hill, there is a beautiful hut, and a wise man lives in that hut, in that beautiful hut. At the center of the courtyard. Here is a new word. Courtyard is an open space that is surrounded by buildings or houses, and it is without roof. So at the center of the courtyard is a beautiful tree. Usha dressed in yellow, so she is Usha, and Lalita dressed in red, and she is red. So they enjoy talking to the wise man. So they enjoy talking to the wise man. You can see a wise man. He is sitting under the tree. So they always talk to that wise man and they enjoy talking to him. Every morning, the two dear friends watch him decorate the beautiful tree with flowers they bring for him. So every morning, they bring flowers and they give it to the wise man. And what does the wise man do with those flowers? He decorate this tree with the flowers. So and they both friend enjoy watching him decorate the watching wise man decorate the beautiful tree. Look at the number 1 paragraph. The wise man talks to the girls every day. He tells them what each flower, when offered, gets the person who brings it. So wise man, every day wise man talks to the girls. He tells them what each flower gets for the person who brings for it. So what each flower when offered. So they always offer flower to the wise man. So he tells them that what each flower gets for the person who brings it. So today there are roses, aren't they? You will get love and peace. So today these two have brought roses. So what does he say? He say, so today they are roses, aren't they? You will get love and peace because you both have brought roses, so you will get love and peace. Peace means calm. Okay, peace. So you will get love and peace. We have brought roses today. So when they ask the wise man that we have brought roses today, so today they are roses, aren't they? You will get love and peace. You will get love and peace because you have brought roses. Look at the second paragraph. What if I offer a lotus? So Usha asked the wise man, what if I offer a lotus? What if I bring lotus and give it to you? Lotus, the queen of all flowers. When you offer a lotus, you become a better person. So wise man tells them, lotus is the queen of all flowers. So when someone offers a lotus, he or she become a better person, become a good person. So when you offer a lotus, you become a good person, a good human being. Usha is delighted. But where will you find a lotus? Lalita asked Usha. But where will you find a lotus? So Usha is delighted. Usha is very happy to know that if she offers lotus to the wise man, she will be a better person. She will be a good human being. So Lalita asks Usha, but where will you find a lotus? But where will you get a lotus? Then Usha replies, remember the old pond on the other side of the hill? I saw a lotus bud there. It should blossom by tonight. Blossom means to grow into a flower. I will pluck it tomorrow early morning and bring it here. So Usha replies, do you remember the old pond on the other side of the hill? So I saw a lotus bud there. It should blossom by tonight. So it was that time it was a bud. When I saw that, it was a bud, but it should blossom by tonight. It should become a flower by tonight. I will pluck it means I will pluck means there is here is a new word. Pluck means to remove something from somewhere. So I will remove it. I will pluck it tomorrow early morning and bring it here. Lalita tells Usha that the pond belongs to her father. Lalita tells Usha that the pond belongs to her father. But Usha is not affected by it. Usha didn't affect on this by it. Look at number 4. The next day early in the morning, Usha reaches the pond. She is Usha. So next day early in the morning, Usha reaches the pond, but suddenly her heart almost stops beating. Her heart almost stops beating means she is too much shocked. She is in shock. She sees somebody climb out of the pond. She's seeing, you can see. She sees somebody climb out of the pond. It is Lalita and she has the lotus in her hand. So what happened? Lalita reached to get the flower, to get the lotus before Usha. So Usha is very much shocked. She is shocked to see Lalita, and Lalita is having the lotus in her hand. Usha hides behind a bush. She hides behind a bush. She didn't come out. So Usha hides behind a bush. Lalita quickly begins climbing the hill. So Lalita quickly begins climbing the hill. She climbs the hill. Usha is sad that Lalita has not confided in her. So why is Usha sad? Usha is sad because Lalita didn't share the secret. Lalita didn't share the secret of her. So she is very sad. Now look at the number 5. Lalita stands before the wise man. Now Lalita stands before the wise man. Lalita goes to the wise man and said, I have brought a lotus. I have brought a lotus. Lotus, wonderful. I will put the flower on the tree in your name. It is Usha, isn't it? It's a pity I cannot see clearly and always confuse Usha with Lalita. So when Lalita goes to the wise man, she says that she has brought lotus, and wise man says that I will put the flower on the tree in your name. I will decorate that tree, this tree with lotus, and I will take your name. So it is Usha, isn't it? It's a pity I cannot see clearly. So it is Usha, isn't it? So it is very sad. Pity means sad. It is very sad that I cannot see clearly because that wise man is an old man, so he cannot see clearly and he always confuse Usha with Lalita. Now paragraph 6. Lalita does not answer. Usha, who is hiding and peeping from behind the bush, can no longer control her tears. Why Lalita does not answer? because at this time Lalita realizes that she is doing wrong. She shouldn't do this to her friend. Lalita and Usha are good friends, so now Lalita realizes that she is doing wrong. So uh, and Usha, after seeing this, Usha also couldn't control her tears. Next page. Is it Usha? So wise man says to Lalita that are you Usha? Yes, please offer the flower in the name of Usha. So she lies to wise man. She is lying. Why she is lying? Because she wants that flower to be put in the name of Usha. At number 8, no, it is Lalita who has brought the flower. No, now Usha comes out from the bush. She was hiding behind the bush. So she comes out and she says, no, it is Lalita who has brought the flower. Means Lalita brought that lotus. At number 9, both the friends argue. So both the friends insist about putting the flower on the other's name. So they both convince each other, and they both want that flower to be put on each other's name, while tears flow down their cheeks. And see, you can see the tears are coming out, है ना? So while tears flow down their cheeks, you discovered the flower, I only plucked it, but the lotus is your property. So Lalita says, you discovered the flower because you gave me an idea that where the pond is, and you had seen that flower first, that bird first. So but the lotus is your property. Now Usha is saying that you brought it, now lotus is your property. At number 10, I will utter both your names. I will say both your names when I offer the lotus. So when I will be offering the lotus, I will say both your names. I will say the name of Usha and I will say the name of Lalita. Both of you shall grow to be much better person. So both of you will shall grow to be much better person, to be very good human beings. At number 11, Usha and Lalita look and smile at each other. So Usha and Lalita, they look each other at each other. They feel that they have already become better human beings, because they have already become better human beings, because when Lalita brought the lotus, and initially she wants that lotus to be put in her name, but later she realizes that she is doing wrong with her friend. So she says that I am Usha, please put that flower in the name of Usha. So they have already become better human beings, and they are good friends forever. So I hope you liked this, you understood this chapter and you liked this story. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to read this lesson once again. Okay, bye.